Hi guys, we are here today at Queens Bay Mall Penang to do a quick preview of the iCAUR 3, and we're here with our good friend, actually our old friend JJ, man. Hi, peace bump. So he's here to help us with the iCAUR 03, right? And this is the model which doesn't have the extras lah, the leather lah, the extra compartments, the cladding and the skirtings, right? And even the bumper is done up, right?
Yeah, this is standard one.
Yeah, and that one also I think has a wrap, matte wrap, matte wrap.
Matte wrap.
Okay, so we are getting ready for a test drive, and then we'll stop somewhere and then do a bit of a fact check lah.
Yes.
All right. So first off is very minimalist. This one looks like something from an Xpeng or actually a Tesla, right? Yeah. All right. So let's see how to adjust the steering wheel. Yes, telescopic. Rake and reach. Okay, so I've adjusted it to a point where I can see the screen is not blocking my view, so there's no HUD, right? Because it's quite short. This part is quite short. Let's lift the seat a bit. It's electric and it has lumbar support, huh?
Yeah, has lumbar support.
Oh, okay, very nice. Okay, I like this view because I can see over. Not bad. I can see the back very clearly. Wing mirrors are nice and huge. Can you adjust it from here? Or all through the screen?
All through the screen.
All through the screen. Okay, so certain things I like, certain things I already don't like. But it's okay. Oh, this is solid lah. And at least this, you don't have to go through the screen, right? The air vents, right? The aircon vents, you got USBs down there. Nice floating center console. This is solid. Of course, it has to be solid lah. And I tap the plastic outside. It's also solid lah. So this is a single phone wireless charger, right?
Yeah, wireless charger.
50 watts?
50 watts.
50 watts because ventilated, ventilated. Alright, let's just do a quick look inside. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a chiller box, huh?
Yes.
Chiller box. Does it have a... It does, huh? Oh, it does? But I think you need to open from here, I think.
Yeah, open from here.
Open from here. It's a column shifter, right? So this is a column shifter.
So you want to reverse?
Yeah. Brakes, right? One brake, and then reverse all the way. All the way up. Oh, so you adjust the mirrors for you. That's very nice, and you can see 360. This is 360 or 540?
540.
540. Oh, nice. Oh, very powerful, way. Very powerful. You just have to step a bit, huh? This thing is quite powerful, huh? Not bad. Oh, look at that. I have to just step a bit, man. Hey. This is dual motor, right? They call it the iWD. iWheel drive, huh? Intelligent, huh?
Yes.
Okay, I can feel it, man. I tell you, you just have to step a bit, no?
Yeah. So we don't need to change the mode. If your intelligent change.
Intelligent change for you.
Yeah.
You can still select it manually, or
no need to select only.
No need to select.
No need to select. Automatic.
Automatic, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so this one you have to, like most China cars, you have to pull up for the window to go down, huh?
Yeah.
That works fine. Okay, so push down for the window to go up. Buttons are solid also. So you got the ADAS. I suppose ADAS is level 2.
Level 2.
Level 2, huh? Alright, so even the glove box, you have to press the button to open from here. But if you've seen the videos, it's a soft open. Right? And it doesn't have that very loud sound that you hear on a Tesla. I think one of our Tesla videos, I'm not sure whether Model Y or Model 3, when you open the glove box, you get a very loud sound. This one quiet. Yeah, but I still wish you had a physical button to open. So some things I prefer to have buttons. Oh, Infinity audio.
Yeah.
Infinity, sound system. How many speakers?
iWD have 12, I think.
12, including subwoofer lah. Maybe afterwards when we go and take a break, we will test the sound and see using the look at how it picks up. Look at that. Very easy, just step a bit and you're off. Okay, so
quite powerful.
Quite powerful, no joke. Oh. You just need to tap a bit. Okay, a bit only. Okay. So there are two motors. What is like the charging? The charging for the AC and the DC?
DC is around 30 minutes fully charged, from 30% to 80% also.
30 minutes,
30 minutes.
Going round, very little body roll. 3 o'clock here.
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes over the bumps. Because this is meant for off-road, right?
Yeah.
Very fun looking car, I gotta say.
like toy car. Like a toy.
like a serious toy car. Because it can actually go off-road. We've seen the videos, right? It can go up very steep hills.
Yeah, you can turn. You can try.
Oh! Oh! Very nice. And stable, huh?
Yes,
stable. The steering is not too light because some cars is very powerful and the steering is light.
Yeah.
You don't feel very confident in the car, right? So this is very nice. But the charging is 80. It's not that fast, but I suppose it's sufficient. Something like the C10. C10 lead motor is also about 80. Not too bad. So far, driving experience, very good. Over bumps also. Let's check whether Lina feels any bounce. No bounce, huh? And the bounce, it's good. Purposely going to hit. There's no car behind. See bumps, okay, like handles the bumps well, because it's supposed to, as it can go off-road.
Yeah.
Very nice. Pickup. Look at that. Oh. Pickup, I don't know what. Like under 7 seconds, this for sure lah. I think 6 point something feels like it lah.
Maybe.
6 point something, feels like it because we've driven recently some cars that were doing 7 point something.
7 point something.
Yeah, so this is faster than that. Way faster. Wait, let's go for the price first. How much is it? This is the iWD, so it's about 155,000?
Yeah, 155 estimated price.
Then the 2WD?
2WD is 145.
145,
Yeah.
Ooh, not too bad, So, I wonder whether, because we saw the one with the extras, right, with the ladder on the side and the roof rails.
Yes.
It looks something. Yeah, go on, sorry.
They want is need to add on around 20k.
20k add-on so that's a 20k add-on.
For the full body kit.
Full body kit,
Yeah.
Including the wrap, is it?
Yeah,
including the wrap.
Wrap.
Any color or just the grey and
just
or
one
black?
matte black.
Matte black,
Yeah.
Okay. So we had a look at the seats behind. We tried the seats behind. It's a bit on the upright side, right? Reminds me a bit of the Volvo C40. A bit upright, So you can't really adjust
The back.
how much you recline there. Okay. So JJ, what's the range like on this car?
Okay, this range is around 420k.
This is NEDC or WLTP?
NEDC.
So WLTP should be around 380, 370.
Yeah.
Okay. Rear wheel driving maybe 350, I think, because this is around the same battery size and the same, let's say, range WLTP. I think the C10 almost.
Yeah, almost.
Almost. So if you want to go camping, which I think a lot of people will use this car for.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have to go before the campsite. Before you reach there, you want to charge the car.
Yeah, need to charge.
Because this car does have V12 for sure.
Yes.
Yes. V12, internal, external V12.
External.
So they'll probably want to use like the water heater and also charge your phone. But I think that usage will be what 8-10% a day only, right?
Yeah, very less only.
Very little, right?
Very
so you can
little,
go for a few days and you'll use maybe 30%. Depends how long you're staying, right?
20 to 30 lah.
20-30%, right? Right. This is definitely going to be a camping car lah. I mean, it's built. We tested the plastics and the material, soft touch. Soft touch. Oh, so I didn't expect soft touch because sometimes it's hard touch.
Soft touch.
Yeah. Soft touch and all that. I think at the back, let's ask Lina. At the back is soft touch. Soft touch also, not bad. So it's only one range, this car, except for the one where you, besides the two variants.
Two variants, yeah. Another one is two-wheel drive.
Same, is it soft touch also?
Same also.
Same, all same. So the difference is only whether it's two-wheel drive or all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, yeah.
Alright. Okay, let's check out the rest of the car. It says magnetic. Oh, it comes with the light. All-road, Just to remind you if you're not sure. Card holder here. Does it come with
come with DVR?
Come with DVR.
Yes.
That's good. That's good. DVR. That's nice. And it's very snappy. I noticed that, very fast.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Oh, I see. So you can record. Oh, the sides and all that, front, back, and sides. Okay. Not too bad. Then you can lock and charge everything. It's got a sunroof, by the way. Yeah. So does it have ambient lighting?
Ambient lighting, yeah, can set.
Okay, it's good. I don't know whether we can see in this bright sunlight here. Slightly overcast.
I think here we can set here.
Not bad.
Okay.
How big is the boot?
300 something.
300 something. It's a bit small, but you can fold the seats down. Can you get about 600? Because this isn't a very big car.
Yeah.
This is almost C segment. Lower than C segment is B segment plus.
Yes, yeah.
B segment, almost C segment. Because it's not. Because I am looking at the leg room. Lina's leg room there is quite a bit. Right? It's quite a bit, and she's about 5'5". Right? And here I'm quite comfortable. Alright, so I think you can, looking at your headroom, I think you can fit a 6-foot person, no problem. Even the back, right?
Yeah.
No problem. There's no frunk, I checked already. No frunk. No frunk. Okay, do you get I forgot to ask you, do you get a V2L adapter? Or you have to buy?
Yeah.
Have to buy?
I think no need to buy.
Oh, you get for free?
So
okay.
get for free.
And this sunroof comes with a blind visor, so you don't have to buy. So, because sometimes you get the sunroof, but you don't get, or it's manual the visor. But this one is electric. Electric. So this is good. Okay. Sometimes I prefer this the hazard light to be in the center, because easier to reach instead at the top Okay. Then this one is for the sunroof to open and close. This is light I suppose. Okay. Got it. Oh, here. So what is this for? I'm not sure.
This is the SOS.
Oops.
No. Not sure.
Yeah, not sure. Okay, so it's all touch sensitive. A lot of hooks. I saw this car has a lot of hooks. No tonneau cover though. Let's try the massage. See whether it's legit or not. Just for sure.
This massage cancel can on.
Okay, I can feel it. At the back, you don't have massage.
Still can choose.
Oh, can walk. Crossover. Okay, can feel it. Okay, this is legit. I can feel it. So long drives, no problem.
And ventilation. So all the seats have.
All the seats has ventilation.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, there you go. That's how you adjust it. I still wish there are a few shortcut buttons. Yeah. Like especially glove box. Maybe they even adjust the side mirror. But now a lot of cars are going through the screen.
Yeah.
But I hope during like the next update, because this car looks fun. It looks really fun. Because we were at the Queens Bay Mall and behind the main atrium, right? Then there's only one car there, but so many. I think you just closed one sale also.
Yeah.
I mean, you look at it, it's so different. It's so refreshing.
Yeah,
refreshing, right?
Something
fantastic.
different for EV car.
Yeah. And I expected this car to be maybe closer to 200,000, but it's actually like this range, 155. And you want the one with all the add-ons, right? It's 20k more. I think you'll see that in the B-rolls, of this footage. All right. So let's bring this car back. So far, the driving experience is pretty good. It's pretty good. I wish.
Very good.
I wish you could do more. Because like they had the roadshow in KL, right? You go up the hill and in the water and all that. I like this. Nice.
So this can fix our head.
Yeah, not bad. It's okay It's got oh my god handles and all that, except for the driver, which is quite usual, right? But other than that, all the other 3 sides you get oh my god handles. This is almost frameless. Small but almost frameless. Very nice. Okay, let's get a move on. Anything else you want to... Oh, you got trailer mode, so you can... Oh, just in case you need to be towed. Alright, so you don't spoil the brakes and all that, right?
Yeah. I love fast mode also.
Oh, if you leave your pet inside, the aircon will be on.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you got quite Oh, I see. Then rest mode, what is rest mode for?
So this, if you want to rest, can press there. This for like we go camping, so can.
You can sleep inside.
Yeah.
Can you fold the seats? The front seats can go quite far back. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, so you can go pretty far down, man.
Yeah.
Okay legit
Can sleep.
Camping, you're supposed to sleep outside, but you end up sleeping in the car. It's pretty good. So you do not have actually any direct competition, right? This car, because
this car I didn't know have.
Nothing looks like it, right? At the moment, right? But you definitely can go off road,
Yeah. This car can go for off-road,
And also, you want to drive it around town, because if you like cars that are different, then this is the car for you.
Different experience.
Yeah, different experience. Very nice. It's so cool, this car. Just I got a bit of piano black. So fingerprint magnet a bit, so I have to be a bit diligent in cleaning this. Other than that, are these seats real leather or faux leather, fake leather?
This real
Vegan,
leather.
Real leather. Oh, not bad. Hey, I just noticed something.
Leg rest.
Leg rest. Oh, so front both driver and passenger is electric, huh?
Yeah.
6-way,
Driver,
6-way.
Yeah.
Plus you got the lumbar support which
Lumbar
can
support
adjust,
for
right?
driver side. Yeah.
Oh, let's see how I do this.
Can
All the
adjust.
way up also, huh? Some only a bit. Oh, so when you recline the seats
Yeah.
and goes all the way back, you
So
really
can
get to rest nicely.
Yeah.
Nice. Not bad. Hey, it's a bit too comfortable for a camping car.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be camping outside.
So this you can go for camping, the EV car.
EV car.
And off-road.
And the massage function is still on. I gotta tell you, I'm enjoying it. So the sound is a bit flat, so you will have to adjust using the equalizer. Alright. Okay, this here. Go to sound, and then I think equalizer, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see what this does. You know, very curious. Oh, look at that. So the battery still. Oh, the angle. Alright. Oh, they give you like say on the hill lah. How many degrees and all that lah.
Yeah.
Unit tire pressure setup and so on and so forth. Oh, so these are your modes, huh? But this one is I, so you don't have to actually pick. You're smart enough lah. But you can choose, right? Huh?
Yeah, can
Eco, bumpy, muddy. Oh, it's got animation. Beach. Okay, beach. Alright, slippery. Oh, a lot of modes, man. All road. Custom also, huh? Sport, and of course normal lah. So right now it's on normal.
Yeah, normal.
Normal lah. So if you want like the I mode normal, that means it'll pick for you already. On normal, it'll pick for you. Oh, so this is the mode you want to be in lah if you don't think so much. Okay, let's head back to Queens Bay. And just remember, don't step on the accelerator too much because this car is very powerful. Look at that, man. This is so fun. This is a fun car, 100%. Looks fun, and it is fun. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Going over, not pressing the brakes. No problem. This car. How heavy is this car?
Around 1,800.
1,000. Hey, not that heavy. Not heavy. It's lighter than the C10, lighter than the hashtag 3. Because those are about 1.9.
Oh.
It's 1.8. Not heavy. But it's not that big. Not that big. But I expect it to be heavy actually. Because it looks
heavy.
Yeah, it looks heavy. The plastics they use, right, is quite robust, quite tough. Okay, a bit difficult. So, up here lah, enough. Okay, but otherwise easy to park. It's just that you have to control the power because this thing is very powerful. Enough lah. Can.
Yeah, enough.
Alright lah. Okay guys, we just finished a very fun drive in this iCAUR 03. Alright, so we're going to leave JJ's details in the description. Okay, if you need anything, contact him. Alright, very friendly, very knowledgeable. Okay, and of course as usual, if you like our content, please like and subscribe. It will help our channel. Okay, so JJ, that's fist bump, Amit. Thanks, man. Thanks for your time. I know you're very busy. You're going to be very busy this whole weekend. All right. Fantastic car. All right. All right. Take care, man.
Okay.
Okay. See you.
Bye.
Bye.